Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to lock first person in your Roblox Studio game. So firstly, you have to open Roblox Studio and head to the My Games tab. From here, open any game that you want to lock your first person camera into. So I'll just head into this game, this test game, and let the game load. So after the game loads, all you need to do is go to the Explorers tab. From here, you need to navigate down to the Starter Player folder, then left click on it. And now the Properties tab will appear at the bottom right hand screen. From here, you have to navigate to the Camera section. After coming into the Camera section, in the Camera Mode tab, you have to select Lock First Person instead of Classic. By default it will be Classic, and you will just select the Lock First Person camera mode. Left click on it, and now if you click on the play button or anybody else plays the game, you and they will see that you are locked in first person and you cannot change it, and you'll have to play this game in first person only from now on. So that's how you lock first person in your Roblox game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.